Nike Air Superfly Coconut Milk 2025 colorway. Nike has an idea for you if you're looking to equip Superfly in Y2K for spring. For leisure wear, Beaverton has revived the 2001 Air Superfly track shoe in addition to classic designs like the Vomero 5. Late January saw the formal relaunch, and this coconut milk colorway is part of the upcoming distribution schedule. Known as a women's-only model, the Air Superfly is distinguished by its low top height and sleek, uncomplicated design. Lightweight and breathable wear is guaranteed by perforated sidewalls, and pods on the front of the outsole preserve track DNA. This coconut milk colorway adds the color of the name to the sides, while sail is used on the tongue and toe overlay. Classic stone is the color of the outsole, while the tread pods have cobalt tint. If you're a fan, women's sizes of the coconut milk Superfly will be available in the summer of 2025 for $100.